Hey guys, it's Joanie and Audrey from simplelivingmama.com. So we just got back from Aldi where we did a 1 week grocery haul. Now, if you have been following along with my blog for a long time, then you will know that we have done grocery shopping several different ways. There's Isaac, he wants to say hi. We have done monthly grocery shopping, which was really my favorite way of doing grocery shopping. But when we moved to a house on a military base, we started doing weekly grocery shopping because we had a really small house and the commissary was right down the street. It's got marker on his face. So we've kind of stuck to that since we moved here. We discovered Aldi and we've just been going weekly. I haven't really gotten into the habit of doing monthly grocery shopping. It's just been easier to get things done weekly for right now. And I've been getting almost all of our groceries exclusively at Aldi because they have such great prices. It's really kind of unbelievable how cheap it is compared to anywhere else that we've shopped before. So I have been following the Mashup Moms blog where she does a weekly Aldi meal plan, and I get tons of ideas and inspiration for weekly meal plans. She always lists the stuff that's on sale and everything at Aldi too, so that has really helped me with my grocery budget. So I'm about to turn the camera around, show you what we bought, and then after that, I will tell you what is on our meal plan for this week. Here is our big table full of food from Aldi. We spent $170, so for all of this food and only $170. Now, I can usually get away with spending like $120 a week at Aldi, but my entire family was with me and we got a lot of extra stuff, like the stuff here. But that's okay. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started with what we got over here for drinks. And what do we have?
This is fruit punch.
Yep, we got
Nature's
some
nectar.
fruit punch.
And then some Gatorades.
Gatorades.
Over here we've got some tea.
Tea bags to make sweet iced tea. And these are 2 boxes of the bow tie pasta for a meal that we're making.
Tomato.
Yeah, put those down. We'll get there in just a second. My husband really likes their gelato, and this one, the sea salt and caramel, that one's it's really good. And then there's raspberry cheesecake. We got some apple cider. How many milks did we get?
4.
4 milks. And then Mommy's coffee creamer we're trying the vanilla caramel this time. I got some garlic powder and some black pepper because I'm out. We're gonna have tacos this week, so I got 2 boxes of taco shells. Tomatoes. So we got tomatoes, we got peaches, a cucumber, bananas. Yeah, we got some
favorite apples.
And we got some fresh green beans. For the kids, for a quick lunch, we got popcorn chicken. I like to make cookies and granola chocolate chips, so I got a big bag of chocolate chips, some brown sugar, some white sugar. The graham crackers back there are for
and some coffee.
Yeah, a project we're doing for school. And then they wanted some frosted flakes.
And some milk. And over here in the back, we got this. Audrey
requested hot cocoa, even though it is nowhere near cold temperatures here. She still wants some hot cocoa, so that's okay.
And we got some pep noodles.
Yes, the junk food noodles.
And then we got some
granola bars. Yep.
And then got some caramel rolls. Those are frosted flakes, just so you know.
And what's that, Isaac? Cookies. Yeah, another impulse buy. We got cookies. We got oats back there with Isaac. And then
some
hamburger buns. Yeah, we're trying out their dishwasher packs. Not
and
sure
we
how
got these.
Hamburger buns. Yep. Let me get up here and do this. So we have green onions, some spinach. Hang on a second, Bubba. This is olive oil. And then we got some canned goods. We have cream of chicken. I got several things of tomato paste, some corn, some diced tomatoes.
And then we got some
Great Northern beans. Yep.
I
And then chickpeas, yep. And more cream of chicken, and then
tuna.
2 things of tuna, which will be for one meal for the kids.
And then over here we have diapers. We're also trying out their diapers.
That's right. We're going to try out their brand of diapers and see how that does for us.
Mama, that actually looks like Ava.
It kind of does, doesn't it? We got some Parmesan shredded cheese, 2 things of these biscuits for a meal.
And then Happy Farms.
Sliced provolone for one meal.
And then our little babies' pouches.
Yes, these are good snacks for the baby. He really likes these. And they're only 79 cents a pouch, so.
And then we got yogurt.
We got a few yogurts. These are only 35 cents each.
And this is a new kind, and I really like peaches, so we're trying that.
Yeah. Some sliced cheese. These apple sausages are going to be for a meal.
And then cheese sticks because it's Friday.
Yeah, it's pizza night, so we got their cheese sticks. Let me talk about the meat really quick. I got some chicken thighs. I think these were on sale this week. I got a top sirloin steak for a meal, and then I got a whole chicken for a meal. 2 loaves of bread, and then some monkey bread. They like to do this for Sunday morning breakfast, so we got that. And then finally our pizzas for pizza night. These are only like $5.49 or $5.99 each, so it's a really good deal when you're trying to feed a large family. And they're actually really good. My husband is very, very picky about pizza, and he really likes these pepperoni pizzas. So we got a pepperoni, we got a supreme, and then a cheese. Now, I actually prefer their like ultimate meats or 3 meats thin crust pizza, but they were out today, so we got supreme instead of that. So that is everything for our Aldi haul. This is groceries for 1 week for our family of 8. I did show them the cookies, yeah. We got cookies back there. Now let me tell you what is on the menu this week really quickly. So our menu this week, we're gonna have roast chicken and vegetables. I'm gonna do either a veggie soup, or I think I'm actually gonna do tacos instead of vegetable soup, because that's why I got the tacos over there. We're gonna do a chicken biscuit pot pie, a chicken sausage dinner salad. We're gonna do steak bites, and then an Italian pulled pork sandwich. And then, of course, the pizzas is what we do every Friday night. So that is everything. If you would like to see more videos, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We are a large homeschooling family, and we share homeschooling tips and homemaking tips to help moms simplify life, home, and homeschool. And I will have the links to all of the stuff that I mentioned before down in the description box. You can go check out the blog posts that will accompany this video. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye.